got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that day. Bitches on my line, and you know.
7 devoted brothers. In ancient times, in a village in the Nangro Aceh Darussalam area, there was a husband and wife who had 7 young sons. The oldest child is 10 years old, while the youngest is 2 years old. To meet their living needs, a husband and wife grow vegetables for daily consumption and sell the rest at the market. Even though everything is barely possible, their lives are always harmonious, peaceful, and serene. At one time, their village was hit by a prolonged dry season. All the plants died because of the drought. The villagers began to run out of food. Their food supplies are running low day by day, while the dry season never ends. In the end, the entire village population suffered from starvation, including the family of a husband and wife and their 7 children. Seeing this situation, the husband and wife panicked. The vegetable plants that have been their source in livelihood no longer grow. Meanwhile, they have a other job except growing vegetables in the garden. They have tried hard to find a way out of this difficulty, but have not found the answer. Finally, they agreed to throw their 7 children into a forest far from the village.
Sir, how do you not get caught by the kids?
Tomorrow morning we will take the children to go look for firewood in a forest which is quite far away.
Yes, sir.
One night, when their 7 children were fast asleep, the 2 of them consulted to find a way to get rid of their 7 children. Without them realizing it, apparently their 3rd child, who was not yet asleep at the time, heard out their conversation. The next day, the husband and wife took their 7 sons to the forest to look for firewood. Arriving at the nearest forest, the father said to them,
All my children, we should look for a large forest with lots of trees, so we can get more firewood.
They immediately collected the firewood which was carried around. When it was almost noon, the mother invited her 7 children to rest to unwind after almost half a day's work. At the moment, a husband and wife here about to start carrying out their plan to leave their 7 children in the middle of the forest.
Oh, my children, all of you rest here, please. Your mother and I want to look for a river around this forest because our drinking water supply has run out.
Don't take too long, Dad, Mom.
Yes, my
Meanwhile, after waiting for some time and their parents had not yet returned, the 7 children began to get restless. They worry that their parents will suffer a disaster. Finally, the eldest invited his 6 younger siblings to get after their parents. However, before leaving the place, the 3rd child suddenly spoke up.
There's no point in us cutting off white father and mother, the left us all.
What do you mean?
Last night when you were asleep, I heard father and mother talking. The deliberately laid us in the middle of this forest because they were no longer able to support us all due the long drought.
Why are you just telling us this?
I am afraid mom and dad will very angry with me, bro.
In the end, the 7 children didn't go after their parents, especially since it was getting dark. They immediately sought shelter from at night air. Fortunately, not far from where they were, There was a large tree whose trunk was hollow like a cave. They rested and slept in one wooden hole until morning.
Bro, what should we do now? Where should we go?
You wait here, I will climb a tall tree. Maybe from the top of the tree I can see a cloud of smoke. If there is it a sight that there is a village there.
It turned out to be true. When he was in the tree, the eldest saw a cloud of smoke from a distance. He immediately came down from the tree and took his six younger siblings toward the cloud of smoke. After walking a long way, they finally arrived at a village. What a surprise! They were when they saw a very large house standing tall on the edge of the village.
Hey, look, that house is so big.
Wow, maybe that's a giant house. Just as the wolf left his mound, suddenly a loud voice came from inside the house, asking them to come into the house. A few moments later, the occupants of the house came out. Apparently, she was a female giant.
Hey, human child, who are you?
We are lost, darling. Our parents left us in the middle of the forest.
Hearing this statement, the female giant suddenly felt sorry for them. He immediately invited them into his house, then served them food and drinks. Because they were hungry, the seven children ate the food with gusto.
Finish the food quickly, then go up to the attic. Otherwise, you all guys will be eaten by my husband. It won't be long before he comes for hunting.
Because they were afraid of being eaten by the male giant, they immediately finished their food and then rushed up to attic to hide. Not long after, the male giant returned from hunting. When he opened the door of his house, he suddenly smelled delicious food.
Wow, delicious. Look like there is delicious food in this house. I smell human. Where do you keep them?
I keep them in the attic, but they are still small. Let's wait for them to grow up a bit to try good to eat.
The male giant obeyed his wife's words, saved the seven children from the threat of the male giant. The next day, when the male giant returned to the forest to hunt animals, the female giant immediately sent the seven boys away. However, before they left, he provided them with the food they need for the journey. In fact, the good giantess provided them with gold and diamonds.
Bring this gold and diamonds. Hopefully, it will be useful for you future.
Thank you, darling. Mother is indeed a keen giant.
After walking a long way through dense forests, up and down mountains, after sailing for some time, they arrived in a country ruled by a just and wise king. In that country, they sold all the gold and diamonds the giant had given them to a rich merchant. They used the proceeds from the sale to buy plantation land. Each received a fairly large plantation land. The seven brothers worked very hard and always helped each other. Several years later, they have grown up. Thanks to years of hard work, they finally had a lot of wealth. Then each of them made a pretty nice house. The seven men lived peacefully, serenely, and prosperously.
Kejar di situ dulu.
Mana teh
Lima, genap.